Let's get right to next with our chief meteorologist, hurricane specialist Ivan Cabrera. Active weather day and new developments in terms of the hurricane season.
We are busy here at Next Weather today. Absolutely. It's a Next Weather alert. And we'll talk a little bit more about that because we have some strong storms that are going to be on the way over the next several hours. Not expecting anything to pop really until 4 or 5 o'clock. But today is the day, right? This is hurricane season 2025, NOAA's season outlook, and they just wrapped up a press conference and let us know what they're expecting. Typically, on average, 14 named storms, half of those become hurricanes, 3 become intense hurricanes. This is their forecast, and just like last year, once again, they are forecasting an above average season. If you kind of square it in the middle here, 13 to 19 is their range, 6 to 10 becoming hurricanes, and 3 to 5 becoming intense hurricanes. And of course, there are reasons why they are forecasting an above average season, expecting neutral conditions. Those are those water temperatures in the eastern Pacific, not expecting an El Nino or La Nina. Reduced wind shear, that disrupts tropical systems, not expecting too much this year. And then the warm Atlantic sea surface temperatures, those are above average, not the record temperatures we saw last year. And of course, as I always remind you, it only takes one. So these are the conditions here in the eastern Pacific globally that are important during the development of hurricanes during a typical season. The main development region is what we look at, and the water temperatures there are as warm as you need it. So again, there is the forecast from NOAA for 2025's hurricane season.